Another nice tip is the full notch macro. Once again, we can do all these notches by using the classical cut commands, the polygon cut commands, etc., which we have. But since all those require the creation of points and this and that, we have some very convenient commands under the detailing menu, like the notch command. All you need to do is select a member and select a side, and a notch will be created. The full flange will be notched, as shown on the screen over here. And once again, we have the full parameters to play around with the lengths and the depth of the notch. And we can save them away as presets as well. So what we can do is we can have different options. We can save them away as presets and then recall them later, as I'm going to do right now. What I'm going to use the notch command again, and this time notch the bottom flange, but it's insufficient. So I need to turn on the cuts, select the cut, press M, enter, and from the presets, I've already saved away a preset with the 140 millimeter depth. I just load it and say apply, and my cut is finalized.